Welcome to Factful Fridays. Ever wondered what happens when your Maruti Suzuki goes in for a service? Let's take a peek behind the scenes and see how we keep your car in top shape. It all starts under the hood. Our skilled technicians inspect the engine oil, filters and coolant. We ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently, preventing potential breakdowns before they arise. Safety is our top priority. We thoroughly examine the brake pads, rotors and brake fluid, making sure your car stops as it should. After all, nothing matters more than your safety on the road. To ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, we align and balance your wheels. This not only improves handling, but it also extends tire life and enhances fuel efficiency. Visibility is crucial. We test all lights from headlights to indicators, ensuring you see and are seen. Your vehicle gets a fresh start with a thorough wash and interior cleaning. It's more than just looks. A clean car inside and out reflects the care we put into every service. Before we hand your car back, it goes through a final inspection. Every detail is double-checked to ensure everything's in perfect order. Our commitment to quality means peace of mind for you. From start to finish, your Maruti Suzuki is in the best hands. Trust us to keep your car running like new, so you can enjoy every drive with confidence. Comprehensive care for your car. Engine check, brake inspection, wheel alignment, light and battery check, car cleaning and final inspection. Maruti Suzuki service will always be by your side. Stay informed, stay safe.